Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Cruze and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Engine air filter is located just under the air filter cover, so under this cover. Now to remove the cover you'll want to remove bunch of Phillips screws all around it. So you'll have one here, you'll have two on this side, you'll have one down here, and then you'll have one in this corner as well. So pretty much remove all of the screws. And now one more tip, you don't have to remove these screws all the way, unscrew them just enough so you can leave the cover up. Okay, now once all of these screws are out, you can leave the cover straight up and get full access to the filter. And now you can easily just pull it out, right? Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand, but it's simple enough. Also make sure before installing the new filter to clean the air box as well from any debris. One more thing, if for some reason you cannot pull out the filter after removing these screws, then you will have to completely remove the cover. You'll have to do that by removing the MEF sensor and then just loosening up this screw right here and pulling the cover off this hose. But most likely you'll be able to do it same way like I did, just by unscrewing these guys. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.